What's going on, guys? I'm RSB and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple yet effective creeper sorter. This creeper sorter will sort all of your creepers out of your general mob farm and take the rest of the general mobs and transport them through here to wherever you would like them to go. They can go down into a killing chamber, trident killer, die from fall damage. The choice is up to you. However, if you do use magma blocks or lava, the witches that come down through here will throw down a fire resistant potion and they will not die. So you do want to use a trident killer or have them fall far enough to where they despawn, or kill them with drop damage if you want the witches to die as well. All of your creepers will come down through here, down into this lower channel here, and your baby zombies will be pushed onto the magma blocks, killing them, and the only thing that you will get in the holding tank at the end is going to be creepers. So to demonstrate this, I'll add some mobs here. As you can see, all of the spiders that fall down into here are taken care of with this magma block. We can throw some zombies into here, some creepers into here, some skeletons into here, and some witches into here, and we'll throw some more creepers as well. One thing to note, this will capture about 90% of the creepers. So most all of the creepers will be pushed underneath the trapdoors. If you want this thing to capture 100% of the creepers, then you will have to repeat this design 1 or 2 more times in order to make it 100% efficient. However, this small and compact one works for my needs, and I'm pretty sure it will most likely work for your needs too, because we can spare to lose one creeper here and there. It's really not too big of a deal if you have a general mob farm pumping out a lot of them. So to get started, what we're going to need to build this is going to be 12 trapdoors. They can be any trapdoor that you would like. 16 signs. They can be any signs you like. 12 magma blocks. 2 buckets of water to make an infinite water source. And then 3 stacks of material. One thing to note, it does not have to be glass. You can make this out of any block that you want. However, I like the glass because you can see through it and see what exactly is going on with all the mobs. So let's get started building this thing. So to build it, you're going to need to place down a block where you want to build this at. This block is going to be where the very top water stream is going to begin. So what you want to do is bring this out to the left by 3, and then continue this out for 7 additional blocks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one here you want to bring out for 6 additional blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one here we want to bring out for 5 additional blocks. We are doing this because the water flows 8 blocks, and because it's flowing at an angle, it will only flow to these locations here. So once you've done that, you want to drop down below this, and on this shortest block here, you want to come down by 2, build this over, just like that, and then you want to build this out by 8. And you want to come here and repeat like you did up top, build this out by 7, and build this out by 6. Just like so. Come around to the back side, and we are going to build this up. And then we're going to build it up here as well. Then you want to build this up. Just like that. Build this up once more. And on this top block here, whenever it's 4 high, bring this top left block out all the way across, and then connect them to where you have a 3x3 opening right here. Inside of this 3x3 opening, you want to place a temporary block to bring this out into the center, and place down your magma block. Remove that temporary block, and then you can bring this up an additional 2. One thing to note, if you do have a water funnel where water is coming in on all 4 sides here, you want your magma block to be level with where your water's flowing in. That way the spiders cannot climb up these walls to get away from the magma block. If the water's flowing on towards the magma block, the spider will have no choice but to be on that magma block, killing it quicker. However, if you do need to build this up, if it's coming from like a water stream transporting mobs, then you can go ahead and do it that way. So after you've done that, you want to come to this block here and bring this all the way across until you are 1 past this block. Then you want to bring this down to where you have a 2 high gap here. And then you want to bring this over until you reach the end of the farm here. Once you've done that, you can place a block here and bring this down. And then we'll come back to that part later. Then you want to grab your glass again and build this over by 2. Place your sign here and bring your sign all the way across. Just like that. Now once you place your water bucket in this far left corner, you can see the water will flow, but it only flows to the very edge of these glass platforms. Over here, the signs will keep the water from flowing off the edge. And then we want to do the same thing down here. Since we need creepers to be able to come through here, we're going to place a sign here and a sign here. And then we want to grab the side of that sign, place a sign, and bring the signs all the way over until we run into this glass block here. Just like so. Repeat what you did up top and place your water right there. The water will flow all the way to the edge, and the signs will keep it from coming off. Next, we want to get started on the zombie kill area. So what you want to do is place a row of glass blocks here, like so. Place a block here, and grab your magma blocks, and bring your magma blocks all the way across to where it lines up with that glass block. Once you've done that, come around to the back side and line this backside with glass and wrap it around just like that. Then place glass in front of all of these magma blocks and bring this over the rest of the way. This you can go ahead and build up all the way around. And then you want to work on the second zombie killing area. this, you want the magma blocks to be down this height. You want 2 glass blocks here. That way when the creepers jump here, it doesn't interfere with the creepers flowing into this channel. Go ahead and take your water bucket, place a water there. This will flow all of the mobs towards this glass, and if they are small enough, it will push them onto those magma blocks. So once you've done that, you want to get started on the other zombie killing area. So you want to come underneath and drop this down by 1. That way there's 2 pieces of glass. Then you want to place down a piece of glass here, a temporary piece of glass here, and bring your magma blocks all the way almost to the end. You want a 1 block gap where the magma blocks stop here. You don't want them to stop there. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and remove that temporary block, come around to the back, place down a temporary block, a permanent block, remove your temporary block, and bring this all the way around to where you line the magma blocks, just like so. Then you want to come back to the front of the magma blocks, lay down a layer of glass in front of them, and then you want to come to this right piece of glass and go ahead and build this all the way around. You want this piece of glass to stop right here at this magma block, and then you want to go ahead and place down 3 pieces of glass here. Go to this top piece, bring this all the way down, and then you want to add 1 more line to it, going up by 5. Then you want to come out an additional 4, place down a sign here, and then wrap this all the way around. Then you can go ahead and build this up. You want to build this up until you get level with these 4 blocks here. And then you want to come down here, make sure that you add 2 signs down here, and then add your water in. These 2 signs will keep the water from flowing off of the edge. Don't do like I did and only put 1 sign there. And then you can come up to the top and seal all of this in. So make a line of glass across the top, a line of glass down here, all the way over here, and over these 2. So it should look just like that. So once you've done that, you are just about done. So the very last thing that you want to do is go inside of your sorter and go to where your signs are on the glass block, directly above the signs. You want to place a trapdoor on every block. This is going to be what sorts your creepers out. You want those there. If you forget them, then nothing will be sorted and you will get all different kinds of mobs going into your creeper area, which you do not want. To give this a test, we can throw some witches in here, some skeletons, some creepers, some spiders, zombies. We'll throw some more creepers, some more zombies, some more skeletons, can see the baby zombie got funneled in there. He's burning up, and he's effectively sorted out of the creeper area. All of your creepers got sorted down into here, which I didn't quite make my holding tank quite deep enough. There we go. All of your creepers get sorted into there. And we'll give it one last try. Like I said, if you did want this thing to be 100% effective, you could easily just extend it one or two more links, and you'll be able to capture 100% of the creepers that come through there. But as I said, this works perfectly for my needs, and with this being hooked to a general mob farm, I don't have to capture every single creeper, because there's going to be another creeper that's coming down its way shortly after, even if it does miss the occasional creeper. If you put them into a holding tank like this and you get enough of them, you can knock out these bottom blocks and make a creeper bomb. That about wraps it up for this Bedrock tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and I hope this really helps you guys out. If you guys have any recommendations for future videos, please leave a comment below. If you guys liked the video, please leave a like. If you really like this video and you want to see more videos like it, please hit that subscribe button and the bell button. That way you get notifications every time that I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.